What's up guys, welcome to Lunch Sunday Boxing. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to check out my other videos, all boxing related. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, click the bell notification. Now let's get into the video. So today I'm going to give you guys my recap between Gervonta Tank Davis and Hector Garcia. So the first 3 rounds were very slow. So slow that I scored round 1 10-10. Tank let Garcia be the quote-unquote aggressor for the first 3 rounds. In order to analyze Garcia's timing and let him build confidence in order to lure him into a counter in the later rounds. By round 4, Tank had accumulated enough data and he started to open up and start landing his counter punches and combinations. Garcia had landed a few clean shots, but Tank outscored Garcia punch for punch in the earlier rounds. Garcia fought pretty timidly and didn't attempt to open up and take many risks. He was mostly throwing one punch at a time the entire fight. Garcia only put together his combinations in rounds 6 and 8. Tank had landed a big left hand and hurt Garcia 30 seconds before the end of round 8, but Garcia managed to stay on his 2 feet until the end of the round. After feeling that left hand landed by Tank, Garcia decided to retire on his stool before the opening bell of round 9. Tank clearly had the speed advantage and he would time Garcia constantly with that shoulder roll followed by the left hand counter. Garcia tried to capitalize on Davis, since Tank was jabbing falling to the right all night long. Garcia attempted to time his looping left hand over Tank's jab, but Garcia couldn't land that punch cleanly. It seemed like Tank was unaffected by the smaller Garcia's punching power. The left hands that Garcia was landing didn't seem to affect Tank. I had given all the rounds to Tank in this fight, except for round 1, which I scored a draw. I feel like this fight was pretty much one-sided. And now that this fight is over, hopefully we get to see Gervonta Tank Davis versus Ryan Garcia. Let me know who you want Tank to fight next in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, click the bell notification. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.